What's up? Roger Ratchet coming at you again. In the last video, you saw that we changed out the tail lights in this Grand Cherokee, and upon looking at it some more, this third brake light kind of stands out like a sore thumb now, doesn't it? Well, we're going to fix that today with a T25 Torx bit and an LED third brake light. So all we got to do is take our bit, take these screws out of it, and we'll lay them up here and hope they don't roll away. And we will grab our light and pull it out of there. We will twist and unplug. Boy, that's about a dirty looking bulb, ain't it? We'll just grab that bulb and pull him out of there. It's just a plug and play. You know, you push it in, you pull it out. Then we grab our third brake light, our LED third brake light, and our little socket that's on it. It's just like the end of the light that we just unplugged. We just simply plug it into our light plug and watch our wires, because these are small wires and we'll break them off there trying to plug this in here. If I can get him lined up, there we go. And like always, we'll peel our plastic away from our edges, tuck our wires in there, set him in place. We'll take and get our first screw started and grab our second screw, get him started, and then we'll take our bit, twist it in there, and remember, just plastic, guys, not real tight. This one popped out on us, so we'll twist him in there. So just a little bit, and then we'll check this side. And this does have a new seal on it, so you don't want to twist him in there real hard and break your light. So right there it is. Pull our plastic off, and then all that's left on this is to check, see how it works. So let me come up here, hit the brake light. You tell me, is it working, guys? I cannot see it from up here. I'm going to guess it is, because I don't hear you saying anything. And you gotta admit, that is a vast improvement over the old third brake light, and it no longer stands out but like a sore thumb. So this is that easy, guys. You only have 2 screws and a light bulb. So if you want to use light or any of the tools that I use in this video, you can go to our website in the description below. And if you like our content, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And until next time, I'm Roger Ratchet, and thank you for watching.